Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are at the W Times Square, and we got upgraded to what they call their Marvelous Suite or their Magnificent Suite, something like that. I completely forgot, so sorry about that, but there's only one suite with that kind of name, so you can figure it out online. But it is really nice. We're on the 50th floor, right in Times Square, and it's definitely an older building or hotel that has been converted to the W, and it's their new kind of edgy style. So you walk in and you have a half bath, and then you have a living room. This particular suite is suite 5011. There's Times Square, New York City. Okay, and then that's the door I just came in, and then this door takes you into the bedroom part. We're in a corner room, which is really nice because we have a little extra windows that face different directions, but there's ropes right outside our door, and we can't figure out what they go to. I don't know if there's signage out there or what, but window washer maybe. And then the full bath is here. And there you have it. So the W, Times Square, New York City. You do have to come up to the 7th floor to check in. And so far they've been really nice and treated us well, and the room's really clean and kind of funky, and you can't beat the location. So like and subscribe if you felt like this video was helpful, and happy travels. Tip your housekeepers, and thanks for watching another video. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments or questions.